right, so let's get to it. So we have a speed shape here. We're gonna scuff this up. This is gonna be scuffed up with an equivalence of a 600 grit sand scratch. That's a maroon Scotch pad. Now you gotta make sure every part of this surface is sanded well. Now what we have to do is spray our surface cleaner. Shake it up. Make sure you want to get a nice wet coat. You want to make sure you have enough product on there to help it lift up the dirt and you can wipe it away. Now we're going to start using our Hornet. This is your adhesion promoter. This is what we recommend when you're using on certain plastics that are difficult. You run the risk of having delamination. That's when the paint doesn't stick to it. You want to make sure you spray on nice coats, even, nice and wet. Tropical Glitz primer. This is our epoxy primer we're using. Now same thing like always, you want tight patterns, nice and even. You want to make sure the primer is on as smooth as possible. Now once you let that primer dry, usually it can dry anywhere from 1 hour to 3 hours, all depending on your ambient temperature. You want to go over it again with a 600 grit scratch sandpaper or a maroon Scotch pad to make sure you take any little garbage, any debris, make sure the surface is as smooth as possible so you can get the best results with the color. Once we're done sanding that, we're gonna again repeat the same step. We're gonna spray our glass cleaner, wipe it all down, get rid of any excessive sanding residue that's left behind before we proceed to spraying the color. All right, so here we have our flake match base coat and our flakes in a can. We're spraying today our Lilac Blast. So here we have our project. We're gonna spray this right over our primer. So Lilac Blast is a flake match base coat. We're gonna spray 2 coats of this, same thing like always. We wanna have a nice even pattern, wet, 50% overlap. Now we're gonna do 2 coats like always, 50% overlap. We wanna run a nice wet base coat and we wanna make sure the orientation of the colors, the pigment, coverage is perfect. Once we let that dry, we're gonna go on to the next step, our metal flakes. So metal flakes is something that is metal flake already in a spray can with inner coat. There's no colors to it. There's no pigment to it. It is just transparent carrier with our metal flake. Really important. It's sprayed to your liking. Really important. It's sprayed to your liking. So if you want a little bit of metal flakes, you do 1 coat. If you like a lot, you spray 2 or 3, 4 coats. So you get the effect. One of the things that's great about our base coats and metal flake combos, they're designed for each other perfectly. They are a perfect match. You don't get a dirty look. You can't tell where the metal flake stops and the base coat starts. All right, here we have our Tropical Glitz 2K Clear. Now very important, activate the bottom of the can and we're gonna spray this how we want it to come out. Nice wet coats. You see that fan pattern overlapping 50 to 75%. We wanna make sure it lays out real smooth. If you do too much of a dry coat, it's not gonna give you that really nice finish texture. Now we're gonna go back and for the second coat, we left 5 minutes of a flash time in between 2 coats. We're obviously here in Miami, Florida. It's a lot warmer here. If you're somewhere where it's colder, give yourself more time for the gases to evaporate from the clear coat. That's 2 coats right there. Look how nice and gorgeous that looks. All right, so here we go. Here's the finished product. Now, don't get discouraged when you spray the metal flake and you're like, oh, it doesn't look right. It's not bright. Once you spray clear coat on this, it is a whole different thing. It brings it to life. The colors come out. The reflection of the metal flake starts to reflect. This is what I'm talking about, and all this was achieved right out of our aerosol cans. So if you guys want to learn anything else, we want to watch more how-to videos, do yourself a favor, follow us on YouTube under Tropical Glitz. We have a lot of how-to videos. We're constantly talking about product and educating. We want to make sure you guys know everything we know to get the best results using Tropical Glitz products.